Okay, in order to do your calculations, you need molarity of calcium carbonate in the sample. To do this, you're going to have to take your titration data, get the volume of EDTA required to reach the endpoint from one of your trials. We know that the reaction between the calcium and the EDTA has a stoichiometry of 1:1. Therefore, the moles of EDTA can be calculated by the concentration multiplied by the volume for the titration. That gives you moles of EDTA. The 1:1 stoichiometry tells you that that is also the moles of calcium ion present in the sample. The proportionality of the amount of calcium per 1 unit of calcium carbonate is also 1:1. Therefore, you know the moles of calcium carbonate in the sample. Finally, if you want molarity, you're going to have to divide the moles of calcium carbonate by the volume of the solution. You should have in your notes that you pipetted 25 milliliters for the titration. Therefore, you need to convert that number of milliliters to liters. That will be the molarity calculation.